I'm Vasvi. Today I'm going to represent my project which is AI powered interactive study. Today I'm going to present my project titled AI powered interactive study assistant. This project is an intelligent system designed to help study learn efficiently using artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Its main goal is to make studying faster, interactive and professionalized, allow students to upload study files such as PDFs or documents or text files, and it is automatically summarize the content for easier understanding. It can generate quizzes from the context to test understanding. And the main technologies used in this project are Python for programming, NLP libraries, semantic search algorithms. We are going to introduction. In this classification of study queries and personalized learning supports. And the problem statement of this problem is AI powered interactive study assistant. In this, the problem can handle difficulty students facing quickly finding accurate, their personalized support their studies queries using traditional methods or static online materials. In this, students can learn easy way and they can easily understand their questions, and also they can reduce their time consuming, inefficient and sometimes overwhelming for learners. Time and relevant responses style to individual learning needs are crucial for improving academic performance and engagement, making an AI powered interactive study assistant essential. And next, scope of the project. In this, AI powered study assistant using AI and NLP. Support document based learning with natural language interactions. In this, there are several deliverables are also there. Target audience, scope, and fully functional AI based interactive study assistant. Web based user interface for study materials, upload, and interaction. And the next scope of the project is, in conclusions, uploading study materials in the format PDF, docs, and TXT formats, natural language query input with semantic understanding, text pre-processing, summarizations, and quiz generations. In this, we can also use no real-time classroom monitoring or live lecture analysis. Not intended to replace teachers, tutors, or formal examinations. No medical, legal, or other critical advisors applications for students. Students can learn their own and the easy way to understand their matter. In this, they can easily understand how to upload educational content such as notes and documents, and they can use their data in the manner public available academic text data sets for testing and evaluation. In there, several limitations is also there. They are data constraints, resource limitations. Output quality depend on the quality of the uploaded contents. In case they are uploaded with quality of KB or MB, they can perform very well in this platform. In the way of performance may vary for unfamiliar or unseen subjects, required moderate computational resource for NLP pre-processing. In this, in the methodology of developing the AI powered interactive study assistant in using artificial intelligence and natural language processing with a web based applications. In this, there are several methodologies are there. In that are data collections, data pre-processing, NLP model development, web application development, integration and testing. In the data collection, educational content such as study notes, PDFs, and text documents is collected due to serves as input for the system. In the data pre-processing, the collected text is cleaned and normalized using tokenization, stop word removal, and basic NLP techniques. In the NLP model development, we can do that. NLP models are developed to understand, use queries, and generate summarized answers and quizzes from documents. In the web application development, we can also develop the web-based interfaces is created to allow users to upload materials and interact with the assistant easily. In the integration and testing manner, in the NLP models are integrated with applications and tested to ensure accuracy, reliability, and smooth performance based on their algorithms and student performances. And the next methodology is query centric learning approach. In the query centric learning approach, they are using queries are treated as the primary input instead of static syllabus flow. The system first analyzes the user intent and context using NLP techniques. In this, relevant sections from uploaded documents are dynamically retrieved. AI model generates explanations, summaries, or quizzes focused on the query. Feedback from users' interactions is used to refine future responses. In the methodologies, one more methodology is also included, that is retrieval based learning. Retrieval based learning means study materials are converted into semantic representations. Using queries are matched with relevant document segments, or also retrieved content is passed to AI models for answer generations. In this, we can conclude responses are grounded in the actual documents, reducing hallucinations. In the, students are get final results based on their results and deliver with the clear explanations and learning supports. And the next slide is architecture diagram flow. In this, first we need to do document upload. In this, storage, data pre-processing model, AI module. In this, question answering, summarization, quiz generation, response generation module, output and feedback model. And the next slide is design use case diagram. In this diagram, first user can do AI powered interactive study assistant. In this, first we need to upload study material and then ask study queries, and then we answers or summarizes the given uploaded document. And the next class diagram is, in the class diagram they represent the structural design of the AI powered interactive study assistant by defining the main class such as user, study material, quiz and answer. It show how these classes interact with each other through attributes and methods to support to study material processing, query handling and quiz generation. In this sequence diagram, AI product guide explanations. In this, user web interface, AI powered interactive study assistant, NLP pre-processing, answer generators. In this, first uploading material, send document, analyze query, retrieve relevant content, generate quiz, generate answers, show quiz results, show quiz final result. In the AI powered interactive study assistant, we are using some algorithms. In the algorithm, in this first algorithm is natural language pre-processing algorithm. The NLP is used to process and understand natural language queries submitted by users. It performs text pre-processing tasks such as tokenization, stop word removal, lemmatizations, and sentence segmentations. NLP helped in extracting key concepts and semantic means from uploaded documents. In this, we are using hardware and software selections. Software requirements are programming language is Python, web framework is Flask or Streamlit, NLP libraries are NLTK, Spassy, AIML frameworks are TensorFlow, PyTorch, database MongoDB, SQLite, frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, operating system, Windows or Linux. We can use optional development tools in this like cloud platform or version control. In this we can implement the using Python, AI and NLP libraries. AI modules analyze the processed data to perform question answering, summarization and quiz generation. Semantic search is used to retrieve relevant content based on using queries. And the next important one is code segments. In this we are using codes. Let that I'm showing code here. Requirement text. In this we are using required libraries. In the text processor we are using the text alignment. In this semantic search, in the semantic search we are using that semantic search algorithm we are implementing in this semantic algorithm. In the summarize we are summarizing the given uploaded document in this. And the quiz generated, in this we are generating quiz for easier for students. In this document manager we are managing the uploaded documents like based on their MB KB. And the next one is app.py. In this we are developing backend programming. And the uploaded HTML and the study HTML and the indexed HTML, these are used for front end development. First we need to get required libraries. Then after we need to give command python app.py. Then we are getting this one servering flask on app. Then we need to follow the link. Then we are getting this page. In this we need to this is our output, AI powered interactive study assistant. In this I am going to upload my study material, and I am also showing how it is work. In this I am selecting one PDF. Here I am selecting ACC. See, here I'm getting document processed successfully. Uh, Means this document is successfully uploaded in this AI study interactive uploaded study material. I'm going to you start studying. In this we have so many categories. See, like ask questions, get summary. In get summary also we have three different levels: brief, medium, detail. Based on our content and based on our matter we can select our medium. In this we can take quizzes also. Now I am giving one questions. My question is, what is ECC? I'm clicking here, get answer. Here I am getting brief answers. What my question and unrelated to that answer. In this I can select brief or medium or detail. Here I am giving brief. We can get generate a summary. See, in this I'm click the option is brief, and I'm getting summary related to my topic, and I also get my key points for easier to understanding, and like bullet points. In this also I can take quiz based on my topic for easier to understand for students. Here uh, here the program also said like which is correct or which is wrong. Here I am giving like one answer. I don't know it is correct or wrong. See, it is incorrect. It show it's correct or wrong the manner. If you are click correcting correct answer, it show correct or wrong. See, like we can in this we can also short answers questions like explain cryptography. What is cryptography? In this cryptography is used for secure communication. Here I am giving what I am expected answer, but in this they gave that their expected answers. Like cryptography is the study of techniques for secure communication, the presence of advisable behavior. For it gives like easy to understand, easy way, like very easy. Like I'm giving here that briefly, we can get that answer. Thank you.